Many people don't know why Google cannot index their website pages. The common issue is URL is not available to Google, which means page cannot indexed, because it excluded for some reasons by Google bots. But here is my website which has more indexed pages. So, the question is how to get all your website pages indexed on Google. To get all or most of your website pages indexed, it's no hard things to do, but it requires some of tips, and may take some of times. And sometimes, just the small things can block your pages of getting indexed, and it can fix it easily. There are many ways to check if a page is indexed or not. The first way is to type on Google search bar the word site plus colon, following by URL. Make sure to type a correct URLs of your website pages. If you get any results redirect to your website, it means that your page is indexed, as you can see in this example. But what if I change this URL to check again? I will replace the word us by the word you. There is no results indicate to my website, and the Google bot shows nothing, which means this page is not indexed or not founded. The second way, and the recommend way to check and test URLs on your Google Search Console dashboard. I will test the same URL of About Us page. This page is indexed, and here is the proof. It was crawled successfully by Google bots. Let us make another check and change the URL of this page to test again. Make sure that the testing may take 1 to 2 minutes. URL is not on Google, but we should test it lively. URL is not available to Google, which means this page cannot be indexed unless I fix it. But this page aren't found its redirect to 404. There is another way to check out if your website page is indexable of using free tools. Like in this free tool site, we are allowed to add up to 5 pages. This operation is easy and quickly rather than Google Search Console. And here is the results of my pages. You can realize that my first page is indexed on Google. Anyway, you can use this website to check out of all your domains. Right now, I will put this article on Google Test Live. This article just published 2 days ago. And test live URL again. This page is available to Google. Everything seems good, but it's not yet indexed, and it can be indexed. The question is why? Okay, let's check out of my all indexed pages and no indexed pages to reach the answer. I will click on the View Data about all indexed pages. I have 922 pages that are indexed, and the last page was indexed by Google bots on November 6th in this year, while I'm recording this video on November 11th. Which means Google cannot index pages very quickly after published, and it may take several days to get indexed. But there must be some of tricks to speed up indexing by Google, because we need organic views. Now let's tell a look on sitemaps. As you can see here, I have 5 submitted sitemaps successfully. I will open my sitemaps to show you all pages inside of the sitemaps. You can realize my all 5 submitted XML sitemaps. And if I click on a sitemap, it will lead me to all index pages. Based on the categories of my website, those all categories pages that I'm published on my website, and they're all indexed on Google. Google can find and crawl all sitemaps you submit in your website successfully, which means sitemaps help Google to index your website quickly. Therefore, XML sitemaps are important for SEO because they make it easier for Google to find your website pages. So guys, adding XML sitemaps is kinda mandatory for Google indexing. I highly recommend them. Adding tags also is important. They help you to add an XML sitemap. Those tags that I used to define my blog post's website. For example, the Google Search Console tag includes those articles. Tags are really recommended and beneficial for website. They help users focus on your content. Tags help to improve SEO, so try to add tags to improve your website, and I recommend tags to build XML sitemaps for Google indexing. Another good way to get your pages indexed is to input links on your articles. As you can see here as an example, I'm putting this inbound or internal link to drive people to read more content inside of my website. If we scroll down, we will find this external link or outbound marketing link, which involves proactively reaching out to consumers to get them interested in a product. It's like an affiliate marketing link. Therefore, both of inbound and outbound links are important to Google bots. And here is why links are important. Because Google bots can see your inbound links as signals for your high-quality content, and your outbound links as endorsement for other valuable content. So, links will definitely improve your SEO and provide additional context to Google for getting indexing. Another important point that you should focus on is if your website and your pages are mobile-friendly. And here you can see my 20 website pages are on mobile usability. On the contract, this one isn't usable on mobile, and also here is the reason why isn't usable and possible. It's no index to. In your WordPress dashboard, you can use Yoast SEO plugin to check mobile usability for all pages. URLs are checking lively like on Google Console. And here's the results. This page is usable on mobile and is also indexed on Google. Another point that may not help Google to index your website pages is page speed on all devices. Also, you can use Yoast SEO to do testing lively or via Google Search Console. It's up to you. As you can see here, this page is good according to SEO and the accessibility, but the performance is slow on the mobile devices. While on the desktop devices, this page has a better performance. So, make sure to test all your website pages both on mobile and desktop devices before request Google indexing. In general, Google doesn't index website pages quickly, while it takes some of times depending on page numbers and the content. According to this article, your website must be crawled to get indexed. And here's an estimating about the time to get indexed. Sometimes it takes from a website from 4 months to 12 months if it has more than 25,000 pages. So, at this point, I highly recommend you to crawl your entire website pages to check out of all your pages. You can use this SEO platform, Content King, and start your free trial to crawl your website pages quickly. Or you can go with Ahrefs, the best SEO platform, which gives you access to crawl for free. And after you crawl your website pages, back to Google Search Console, test URLs lively and request indexing. When you see everything is good including sitemaps, usability on mobile and desktop devices, just request indexed, because you tell Google to check your website pages quickly. As you can see here, page can be indexed. It may take some of time depending on Google, so just request indexing. Right now, Google will crawl this page to check if it deserves to be indexed or not. So guys, don't forget to add sitemaps such as important to get your entire website indexed. And here are 2 important articles that I recommend reading to get Google AdSense approved, as well as getting organic traffic from Google. Make sure that I'm putting all important site links below in description in order to lead you to site's dashboard directly. I hope this video was useful for you. Hit the like if you liked this video, subscribe for watching more videos like this one, and if you have any questions, share them on the comment section. Public your issues on the forum. I will be online all time to answer you.